Alright, so we'll start this video by first installing Node.js. Let's go to the official website of Node.js. Just type Node.js and then visit the first website. We have a couple of configuration over here, the NVM, which is the tool to install Node.js, and then a list of multiple Node.js versions. Right, so the first thing that we are going to do to install NVM, we need brew. So brew is another tool that is already installed in the Mac OS. You can just type brew -v to check the version, and then type brew installed NVM to install NVM. We just need to wait a couple of seconds here, and then the NVM will be installed. Now you can type NVM -v to check the version of the NVM. Now the next step is to install the particular version of the Node.js. So the recommended version for our application is anything beyond 18. So for this project I have chosen 18.20.4. So I can just type nvm installed and then the particular version, which is 18.20.4. Now press enter, and now you have to wait here for a couple of seconds, and the nvm will install all the packages and libraries for the Node.js. After that, you can type nvm ls and will list down all the installed versions of the Node.js. Now keep in mind that if you have multiple versions, then you have to make the 18 as a default version. So what you can do, you can type another command. You can just open up the terminal, right? So the current version for me, the default version of Node.js is 19, so I have to change it to 18. So you can type nvm alias default and then the 18.20.4, the version that I want to make default. You can see that the version is highlighted in the green. Now you can close the terminal and reopen it again. Now type nvm ls again. Now this time the 18.20.4 is highlighted in green, and this means that the default version has been changed to 18. You can type node -v to just make sure that the version has been changed. Then you can type node just to make sure that the node environment is working correctly. You can type or write any code snippet, any valid JavaScript code, just to make sure that the Node.js environment is working fine.